In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Siri from reading messages on AirPods. So whether you're on AirPods or you're using an headset, whenever you have a message on your iPhone, Siri will pick up this message and read it to you. So here, you can easily stop these activities on Siri. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, when you want to stop Siri from reading messages on AirPods, is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, and here click on notifications, then scroll down here until you get to Siri, then tap announce notifications. Then once you click on that, come to announce when connected to, so you can see we are connected to this AirPod, right? Then make sure you turn this off. Now once this is turned off, Siri will stop reading messages on your iPhone whenever your AirPods or headset is connected to your earphone. So this is how you can easily stop Siri from reading messages on AirPods. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.